Welcome to InvoicifyAI's demo. In this quick demo, I will walk you through the different lifecycle stages and opportunity stages, all the way from lead to qualified to a customer, and how our AI agents help you along the way. We will create a quick lead, show, let's say, some interest in our product.
Hi, is this Dan Shalinsky? I'm Brooke calling on behalf of Digital Nomad Solutions. You recently showed interest in 5-stage reverse osmosis unit. I just wanted to check in and see if this is something you're actively considering right now.
Yes, I am. All right, I'm not going to play the entire conversation here, but as you can see, the lead qualification agent has secured us a next meeting with this customer. And if we go to the lead details, you will see call to actions. I export the ICS and import this as a calendar invite in my personal calendar. And I would also go ahead and create a meeting activity in this lead details page. And now, as you validated this lead to be a valid one, we will convert this into an opportunity here. And as you can see, the opportunity is in prospecting stage. It also gives you an overview of the call logged by the AI agent. And let's say you followed up with this customer and the customer requested for a proposal to be sent out. And in this case, I'm just creating an activity in this opportunity page so that it kind of provides me as a reminder that I need to send a proposal to this customer. Now from the pipeline stage, I can drag and drop this opportunity. As you can see, it asked me to create an estimate because I transitioned this lead from qualified stage to proposal stage. Now we will go to the estimates page and we will send this estimate to this qualified lead. All right, the email has been sent and the status will change to sent. And we'll receive the email, open it up, look into it. The call has already been placed in the queue, so we can expect the AI agent to follow up for this estimate.
Hi, is this Dan Shalinsky? I'm Alex, calling on behalf of Intelligent Solutions. I'm following up on an estimate we sent earlier. I wanted to check if you had any questions about the estimate or if you're ready to move forward with it.
Yeah, I'm ready to move forward with it. All right, the outcome of the call was accepted. We click on this and we see the AI suggested to accept that estimate and send an invoice. So you convert the estimate into an invoice and then send this invoice to your customer. Let's now assume that this customer is in overdue status and they haven't paid their invoice. So let's see how the AI agent now handles the call and how it follows up with this customer who hasn't paid yet.
Hi, is this Dan Shalinsky? I'm Alex, calling on behalf of Intelligent Solutions. I'm reaching out about an overdue invoice that was due on October 14th, 2025. Can you let us know when we might expect payment?
I'm not sure if I would be able to pay you guys anytime soon. So, can you give me a call maybe in 2 weeks? All right, the outcome of this call was needs time. So once you click on this, it directs you to the leads details page and you can see this call to action here where it suggests you to review the customer call and set up a follow up with this customer and see. So you can review the entire transcript, play the recording of the call. Now, let's assume that this customer has paid that invoice. So we'll just go ahead and record the payment of this overdue invoice and it's in paid status now. And if you go to the receipts, you will see it has been paid. Now, let's see how this feedback agent follows up with this customer for feedback.
Hi, is this Dan Shalinsky? This is a quick follow-up call on behalf of Intelligent Solutions. We just wanted to check how everything went with your recent service. Is this a good time to chat for 30 seconds?
Sure.
Thank you. To start, on a scale from 0 to 10, how likely are you to recommend Intelligent Solutions to a friend or colleague?
Uh, I don't think I would recommend you guys because you guys did a terrible job. All right, in this case, the customer was clearly unhappy, so click on survey completed. You see the call to action where the AI suggested for you to follow up with this customer and, read the entire transcript if you wish to. So here you go, guys. This is end-to-end how the entire CRM platform works in Invoicify AI. Thanks for watching.